apply logarithm in solving word problems. And here is an example. A trader buys 153 mangoes at 12 naira 74 kobo each. What is the total cost of the mangoes? Now we have to calculate this using the logarithm. So, solution. The first thing, let's figure out what we are calculating. We have to calculate the total cost of mangoes. And if each mango costs 12 naira 75 kobo, that is the whole 153 mangoes will be cost 153 times 12 naira 75 kobo. Now we can now calculate this using the logarithm. So we draw a table, number, then the log. What we have to calculate is 153. Now this 153, let's look for the logarithm of 153. 153 here, we look for the integer parts first. And for the integer parts, that's going to give us 2. Because 153 is same as 153.0. And we have 3 digits before the decimal point. When you subtract 1 from 3, we have 2 points. Now from our logarithm table, we take the readings 15 under 3. And we'll be having 1847 multiplied by 12.75. For the logarithm of 12.75, the integer part will be 1 because we have 2 digits before the decimal point. Then we subtract 1, we have 1. Then you take the readings in the logarithm table. 12 under 7 difference 5. We have 1055. And since we have to multiply, we add up the logarithm values. So 7 plus 5, that's 12, 2. We take 1. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10. 0, take 1. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 0, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. Point, 2 plus 1, 3. Now from here, we take the antilog. And from our antilog table, we check 29 under 0, difference 2, which gives us 1951. Now here, the integer part is 3, and that determines where we are going to place our decimal point. Since we have 3 here, plus 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So our decimal point becomes there, and therefore, the total cost would be equal to 1,951 naira, then 0 kobo. Thank you.